this is Josh with AG Monitoring Center. We received a burglar alarm and the bee was launched successfully. We were able to see a person on premise and then turn around and run away. Would you like us to send the responder guard services over to check that out for you? All right, we will disregard that. Thank you and have a great day.